friends, this is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RVing and founder of Girl Camper. You know, sometimes I just get in the mood for that enchilada and I just want it, some sour cream, some hot sauce on it, but I don't want to do all the wrapping and rolling and waiting and baking. So here is a crock pot version that you're going to love at the campground, and it's only 4 ingredients. So start with your crock pot and add 2 big cans here of the enchilada sauce. Just dump those in the crock pot. That's the base of, I don't know, is it a soup? Is it a stew? I don't know. It's delicious. That's what it is. 1.5 pounds of rotisserie chicken that you've had shredded. Now, I don't know about you, but when I head over to Costco to get those great deals on the chicken, I always buy extra, and then I debone it and put it in a Ziploc bag. It's just great to have on hand, and it freezes really well. Get that in there. And here's the funny thing here. So 10 tortillas, and you shred them all up like this. So take those shredded tortillas, and you're just going to put them in the crock pot and smush that down. Get it down in there. Believe it or not, these things cook down, and this is delicious. I had this at a girl camper trip. Somebody brought it, and I thought, oh, that's not going to be my thing, and I was back there for seconds. So get that all in there, and then 1 bag of your favorite shredded cheddar. Use it with the seasoning if you want. Now, depending on how strong you like it, you can go in and put your favorite hot sauce in here or wait till it's all done. But that's it. 4 ingredients in this crock pot. Put the lid on, 2 hours on high. Scoop that out in a bowl. Put your favorite toppings on it, and it's so yummy. Our enchilada crock pot bake is done, and let me tell you, this looks delicious and smells delicious. So I'm going to load up a bowl right here. This would be so delicious with more cheese. Add some cheese on top, some diced avocado on top, some of your favorite hot sauce. And this is rich and creamy and so satisfying. And you're going to love how simple this is to make.